legendary scientist Albert Einstein once said,
"It is insanity to continue on the same path and expect different results."
if we want our lives to change today, we have to change the path we're walking on. Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you've joined us at Blueprintdma Academy. Today, we aren't just having a casual conversation. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a strategy that will shift your mindset and hand you the keys to the digital kingdom. If you stay with me until the very end, I'll show you exactly how AI, artificial intelligence, can simplify your workload, how to turn social media from a distraction into a revenue stream, and how to launch a digital business from home using nothing but your smartphone. Are you ready? If you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now, hit that bell, and let's dive in. The world is changing. It used to be that to open a shop, you had to rent a building. Today, simply being present on Facebook or TikTok is enough. But there's an even bigger shift happening, and that is the AI revolution. Many people fear that AI is going to take their jobs, but here is the truth. AI won't take your job, but a person using AI will. At Blueprintdma Academy, we teach you how to use this technology as your ultimate assistant. For example, using ChatGPT to brainstorm viral video ideas in seconds. Using Canva to create professional-grade advertisements without being a designer. And the best part? You do all of this without a computer. All you need is a smartphone in your hand. The technology is already there. We're just here to show you how to master it. Most of us spend hours scrolling through social media every day. But the real question is social media using you, or are you using social media? In the world of digital marketing, the most valuable currency is attention. If you know how to capture people's attention, you can sell any product or service. One, content. First, give people value. Provide information, teach them something new, or entertain them. 2, trust. People don't buy from strangers. By being consistent, you build a brand that people trust. Now, let's get down to business. How does all of this turn into income? Digital products. Packaging your knowledge into PDFs or video courses and selling them globally. Affiliate marketing, promoting products you love and earning a commission on every sale. Social media management, managing pages for businesses that don't have the time to do it themselves. All of this begins with knowledge. Blueprintdma Academy was built specifically to show you these steps, one by one. The points we discussed today are just the beginning of a massive journey. The secret to success in the digital world is simple. Start. You don't have to be perfect to start, but you have to start to be great. If any part of today's video was unclear, feel free to rewind and watch it again. I want to hear from you. Which topic should we dive deep into in our next video? Do you want a deep dive into AI tools or a step-by-step guide on creating ads with your phone? Let me know your choice in the comments. Don't forget to like and share this video so it reaches others who need it. Remember, Blueprintdma Academy is always here to support your success. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay focused and stay digital. Goodbye.